Welcome, संस्कार शिक्षा मंदिर, संस्कार शिवाता sir. I am introducing my student. What is your name?
Thank you, sir.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is electrician.
Where do you live?
I live in Glasgow.
Say some words about your thoughts and family.
My father name is Ishwar sir. My mother name is Gauri sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Tell another my girl your introduction.
My name is Aditi Gupta. My father name is Mr. Suresh Gupta. My mother name is Mrs. Sisma Gupta. Dhanyawad.
She Ayushi Gupta, give your introduction.
My name is Ayushi Gupta. My father name is Mr. Sambat Gupta. My mother name is Mrs. Upasana Gupta. I live in Bilaspur. My hobby is drawing. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. We will meet again. Thank you.